Today we will explore a new custom visual called Toogle. And if you one of those tried before to make Toogle using bookmarks and buttons, so I believe will be very joyful for you because it's ready now in custom visuals. So as you see, this custom visual released in 8th of May 2020, and it enables you to switch between two views based on value in a data field. So we will add it and try it together. So as you can see already, I edited and I need to make a quick switch between male and female in this student grades data. So I will add it now here, and I will add the gender in the data field. Okay, looks great so far. Okay, so it needs some configuration in the format section in the switch. Okay, field value for on, I will tell it to be male and try the switch on. Okay, good. A little delay, but it's okay. So I try for off female and try the switch off. Okay, it takes some time, and the data is not too much, so this is my concern here. Okay, and the background we can change it to be red, green, like that. So now it's red. Okay, it's fantastic. So now it's turning green. Okay, for the on one. Okay, fantastic. So let us see what else we can do here in the formatting. Okay, we can add a title. Okay, and the title having the functionality of conditioning. Okay, so I will make it here. Okay, we try again on. It should be male now. It's taking too much time to make the filter. This is my only concern here, and this is only 1000 rows with 8 columns, not too much data source. Okay. So it has some response issue, but it does the functionality of the filtering. So try it and let me know what you think. Do you think this is more efficient than making the Toogle with bookmarking and buttons, or it's a promising custom visuals? Okay, let me know in the comments below.